for every single person po na involved dito, congratulations ngayon pa lang. I'm making sure na hindi ako mapapahiya kung gaano kaganda itong Blood versus Duty na napanood ko. Siyempre, Cinema Cut yung napanood ko to si Shinorten kinumpress para mapanood natin ngayon na special cut. But the quality, unbelievable. Congratulations sa ating three directors. Rico Navarro.
Viewing po natin yan.
Baron, kasi umpisa pa lang dineclare na yung character mo. Gusto namin nakita na namin na you are the bad guy. Sorry ha, nang ini-spoil ko. Ang husay! Gusto ko na makita namin yung everyday kung gaano kakasama.
Actually,
Hindi pa yun.
hindi pa yun eh. He's the guy that you love to hate and may mga
Talaga?
nakakahawa naman.
Ay, may backstory ka nun.
Yeah.
We will find out later sa media con Baron.
Sa mga director ko rin dito, nakataba ko sila director Nel, everyone here. It's good to see familiar faces.
Of course, I'd like to acknowledge
Salamat sa support.
Director Nel of Sigabo na habang waiting ay nandito siya ngayon with us. Thank you, Director. And of course, ang husay niya, para siyang talagang inaral niya yung character niya nito. I'd like to call in ang husay niya. Sorry I have to say this as a Muslim girl. Please welcome Barbie Imperial.
Hello everybody!
Napaka-believable!
Thank you. Hello guys, how are you guys? Ano ba sasabihin ko? Of course, I want to thank everyone for being here. My family, si Mama and Kuya, they're here. My friends are here. Thank you guys for supporting. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
Thank you, Barbs. For Jamila.
We had to talk to
The
the Muslim
Muslim,
affair talaga.
Nasa
Kasi
commission ng
ayaw namin
Muslim
ma-offend
Filipinos,
yung Muslim community. So inaral talaga namin. We went there pa sa Commonwealth para alamin lahat ng tungkol sa kultura ng mga Muslim po.
Andito sila ngayon.
Oh,
Yeah.
family!
Oo. Na-meet mo sila, no?
Yeah, I met them. Marami po sila nun.
Marami din sila ngayon. Talagang perfect siya sa pagkakakuha ng role niya rito. Please welcome Miss Bella Padilla! Yung mannerism mo dito.
Yes, Sir EJ, kailangan kong galingan sa week 2 and week 3.
Oh my
Sa
God.
sinabi mo.
Hello.
Okay, go ahead.
Ayan, good afternoon everyone. Thank you for spending your Friday lunch with us. Alam namin na traffic pag Friday, pero dumayo kayo ng Trinoma, so maraming salamat.
Anong character mo, Bella? Sorry, hindi ko na.
Lara. Yes, Agent Lara Angeles.
Okay.
Ayan. Ano ako dito, call center agent.
Acting ka, puro lang naman ang kaharap mo.
Tsaka lagi mo walang ka-eksena.
I know. Ang galing. Galing
Thank you,
talaga.
Sir EJ.
I was gonna text you nga sana kahapon when I saw it. Sabi ko, ngayon na lang. Sabay-sabay namin pupurihin yung buong cast. And of course, the two leads natin, ay wow, iba. It's like watching Journey of two main characters. Pero habang kinakapitan mo si Richard, puputulin para kapitan mo naman si Gerald. Please welcome together now, Gerald Anderson and Richard Gutierrez. Ayan, the two gentlemen. There Marcos! And of course, Jalil. Tama no? Gerald, please greet everyone. Mom is here!
Yes. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ngayong hapon, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Maraming pong salamat sa pagpunta and sana po isuportahan niyo. May nakita ko daming press kanina. Sobrang salamat. Sana po itulungan niyo kami. It's a very beautiful story. Maraming kultura, may pagmamahal. Marami po kong aral na makukuha dito. And it's very timely nangyayari sa bansa natin. But most importantly, pinag-irapan ko ng maraming tao. Kaya sana po isuportahan niyo kami. Maraming salamat.
Of course, thank you, Jen. Of course, Richard.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being with us ngayong Friday. Alam naman natin, Friday lunchtime. Kaya nasabi nila traffic ngayon that are here with us. Thank you to all the fans, the media, of course, lahat ng bumuo ng Blood versus Duty. Nandito silang lahat. It's an honor to be here. Sana ma-enjoy po ninyo. Sabay-sabay po natin panoorin.
Thank you, Richard. And together joining them are our three directors, Direk Rico, Direk Joy, and FMR. Please, to complete, andito rin po ang ibang cast. We are joined by what? 30 cast members. today. Upstairs na sila. I just, of course, acknowledge ko na the head of our music, the maestro, Francis Concho. Director, where is he? Ayun, there he is. Oh, ang ganda. At saka hindi siya na-heavily scored, kaya kapit ako. By 5 hindi pa tapos si Dante mag-blocking ng photoshoot na yun. Workout na ako. We present to you the lead cast and the creators of Blood versus Duty from the JRB Creative Production, ABS-CBN Studios, and of course, I Want and Netflix. Sir Dindo, umakit na po. Ayun. We have a very shy, andyan pa? She here. Ha? Shy?
Shy type.
Oo nga, okay. Akit na muna sila. Kayo na mag-host. Biro ko. Sige, we can let the actors na and the creators proceed sa scene nila kasi patat na silang magdasal.
We'll say hi lang to some camera.
Again, I'd like to thank the Deputy Executive Director Attorney, Jehan Lepail. Of course, Division Chief, Chief Culture, member of the staff is Dali Agoylo. Thank you again. Hindi ka umatid basta-basta, but we appreciate your presence today, Mama Oji. And of course, kasama din yung alaga niya, si Lay ang andito. Andito si Miguel Vergara. Miguel, how are you na? Ayan. Junjun Quintana, syempre part of the cast. Chef Eigenman, wala dito. Pero si Elmo Magalona, I'm so happy seeing him. Ayan. And of course, our CCM partners, Adrian Lim. Thank you, Adrian, for the beautiful vlogs. Ayan, hindi pa namin alam na Eric kami, pero ready na yung mga vlogs ni Adrian. Okay, hindi ko na matatagalin, pero pinatatagal ko. Ayan, I'd like to call in, for our prayer, I'd like to call in John Mendoza to lead us in a prayer.
Please stand for a prayer.
Direct Bijoy Balagtas, Rico Navarro, and FMR, and of course, the whole cast, Baron Geisler, Barbie Imperial, Bella Padilla, and Gerald and Richard. Grabe, I told you, diba? Ang ganda, amazing. I'd like to acknowledge Miss Portia, thank you. Ang handler ko ni Gerald, Miss Portia. And of course, the team of Richard then, Direk Darnell Quezano. Ayan, thumbs up kay Direk Darn, who is a pioneer sa action movies. Ayan, ang ganda. I'm so proud. JRB and team, Miss Jonah, Miss Marisa, Miss Maya, congratulations. Dante, and of course the creative team, Shania, John, Senon, and of course, B. Dindo Perez. Sorry, hindi ko na-acknowledge lahat, but again, only words of appreciation ang pwede namin ibigay sa inyo ngayon. And syempre, hihingi kami ng supporta nyo. May mga camera, may mga exit service po kami sa labas. Please, feel free. I-grant you po ng interview ang aming mga TV crew. Tim Gutierrez, thank you so much. Andyan sila. Ayan, there. Team Gerald Anderson. Team Barbie Imperial. And of course, Team Gerald Anderson. Thank you everyone. And of course, our media friends. We may now proceed sa Docu Theater by walking. Charot lang. Nilakan.
Mga kapamilya press, sa lahat po na makikisabay dito lang po tayo sa harapan, mag-gather para sa ating service meeting.
Theater, please, dito po kayo mag-stay because meron po kami nila dito sa sakyan. May isang kotse po na pabalik-balik, isa lang yun. Ayan, clear na po natin ang cinema kasi ang rule po is by 4 o'clock, clear na po dapat ang cinema 7. Miss Julian, Miss so happy seeing you, Miss Julie and Jeremy, where are you? Alam mo. And of course,